So good morning, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are beginning a new chapter of maths, that is area. What is area? Area of a closed surface is the amount of space it covers. Suppose I have given a square over here. In your syllabus, you will only have to read the area of a square. So the amount of surface that this square covers is called its area. And what will be the area of the square? You will tell it as 1 square meter. This square covers 1 square meter. SQM, square meter. It is measured in square units. Suppose if I will give you a kilometer, then square kilometer. If centimeter, then square centimeter. So it is the area which is closed by the surface is known as area. It is different for rectangle, different for circle, different for triangle, but in this chapter you will only read about square units. Please note it down in your copy or note. So now students, we will learn to count the number of square units to find the area. We will count the number of square units to find the area of a given shape. You can see this square, it comprises 1 square unit. So we will count the total number of square units given in a particular area. Let's take a shape of a rectangle. This is a rectangle which I have taken. We have to count how many squares are present in the rectangle. I think, is it clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many squares are there in the given rectangle? 15 squares. So area will be how much? A means area. Area is how much? 15 square units. 15 square units. I think that is clear. You have to count the number of squares present in the given rectangle or any shape, and you have to write the area. That is 15 square units. So now I have given here a diamond shape over here. You have to calculate the area of this diamond shape. So you have to count the number of squares, but there are half squares present over here. So you count the number of half square: 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 half squares. They are not complete squares. 2 square, 2 half squares makes 1 square. These 2 half squares makes 1 square. So what is the answer? Area. You will not write 4 square units. Please remember, they are half squares. 4 into 1 by 2. Every time, please remember, you have already read fractions. Answer is 4 by 2 means 2. So 2 square units. Very important, very crucial step. This is, you have to calculate the number of half squares. You see, full square is present or half square is present. If half square is present, then multiply that number of half squares into 1 by 2. That gives you the answer 2 square units. Okay, now I have given a right angle triangle to you. You have to calculate the area of this. So what you will do, first you calculate the number of whole square. Number of whole squares. Calculate 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 whole squares. So write 3. Then calculate the number of half squares. H. 1, 2, 3. Half means what? 1 by 2 means 3 by 2. If I will, this is the improper fraction. If I will convert into a proper fraction, if I convert into a mixed fraction, then it will be 1 whole 1 by 2. Just add it. 3 plus 1 whole 1 by 2. I hope you know addition of fraction. The answer is 4 whole 1 by 2. And this is the area. 4 whole 1 by 2 square kilometers. I hope that is clear. So my dear student, now here is a question for you to calculate the shape of this rocket. Okay. So as the process you know, you have to calculate the whole squares, then the half squares, pause the video, calculate the answer, and after some time you will get the solution. So this is the solution of the question that I have given. You have to count the number of whole squares, that is 8, and number of half squares, that is 6, and divide 6 by 2, that is 3, and the area of this shape is 11 square units. So if you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share as much as you can. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.